How not to sleep through your day. 5 simple rules for a productive morning. Overslept, jumped out of bed in a panic, rushed to get ready, ran out the door, and now your whole day feels off. Sound familiar? When your morning starts in chaos, it affects your entire productivity. If you want to get the most out of your day, it's important not only to wake up early, but also to start your morning the right way. Here are 5 rules to help you wake up on time and make your day productive. 1. Go to bed on time, wake up easily. No life hacks will help if you're sleep deprived. Lack of sleep is the biggest enemy of productivity. Ideally, you should get 7 to 9 hours of sleep and go to bed at the same time every night, even on weekends. This helps your body adjust to a routine, making it easier to wake up. 2. Prepare your morning the night before. Make your mornings as smooth as possible. Lay out your clothes, pack your bag, and write down your to-do list. The fewer decisions you have to make in the morning, the less likely you are to hit snooze for another 5 minutes. 3. Set your alarm correctly. Keep your phone far from your bed so you have to get up to turn off the alarm. Choose a gentle but firm alarm sound, something that wakes you up without shocking you. Use the 5-second rule. As soon as you wake up, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get out of bed immediately. 4. Make your morning enjoyable. If mornings feel like a punishment, especially if you're waking up for a job you don't like, getting up will always be hard. Create a morning ritual that makes you happy. A delicious breakfast, your favorite music, a refreshing shower, or a short walk. 5. Give your body a wake-up signal. Right after waking up, check mark. Turn on the lights. This stops melatonin, the sleep hormone, from being produced. Drink a glass of water to rehydrate and wake up your body. Do some light stretching. Even 2 to 3 minutes can boost circulation and help you feel more awake. The key rule: your morning sets the tone for the entire day. Start it right and you'll feel energized, focused, and productive.